Hello, my foodie friends. Thanks for joining me. This is DNC Foodie Channel. Hope you're having a great day and week. And we're going to get going and make some homemade bread today. So I'm excited. I actually got one of these really long loaf pans that I'm going to try out today. I'm excited. So let's get started and make us some bread. First, you're going to start by adding 2 cups of very warm water into your mixer bowl or whatever bowl you want to use, and use 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. And you kind of want to bloom this, so you add a pinch of sugar to it. So stir it up, let it bloom for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then goes in your 2 cups of very warm water, and then a pinch of sugar. So I'm going to give that a quick stir. So you leave this about 5 to 10 minutes, and once you notice some foam and it kind of getting bubbly, that's the proofing. So that's what you want the yeast to look like. And if it doesn't do that, it means your yeast is no good. See, it's already starting to form bubbles. So here we go. Alrighty, it's time to add the rest of our ingredients to our yeast. And you want to add your remaining sugar. So I got my 1/4 cup here. And then you want to add your salt, which is 2 teaspoons. Bear with me, I am having to use my phone today for recording. I've got to see what's wrong with my camera. Okay, there's the salt. And then you want 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So there's my 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then you want to add 3 cups of flour. All right, I'm going to take this over to my mixer. And I've already got my dough hook on the mixer. Woo! So you want to mix your dough 4 to 5 minutes on medium speed. Next, go ahead and add another cup of flour. From here on out, just add a 1/2 cup of flour until your dough pulls away from the bowl a little bit and looks like it's almost there. I'm going to do another 1/2 cup. All right, I got my dough in my lightly oiled bowl, and just roll your dough ball around in this oil and then set this aside with a dish towel over it in a warm place, and you want it to double in size for 1.5 hours. All right, looks like our dough doubled in size. Yay! I'm gonna go ahead and punch this down. Punch! And then we're gonna divide this into 2 loaves. Actually, you know what? With my long pan, I don't have to do that. Yay! So yeah, it says just grease your pan. So you want to spray your pan or pans with cooking spray on the sides and bottom. Punch the dough down well to remove the air bubbles and shape into long logs into your pan. So I got my dough in my pan here, and this is going to be the second rise. It's going to take 45 minutes to 1 hour. Put another dish towel, or you could use plastic wrap, and let this rise one more time. And then we'll be ready to bake it. Woohoo! All right. We did good with the second rise. So I'm going to get ready to bake this at 350 for 30 to 33 minutes. All right, here's the baked end result, and it looks very yummy. I went ahead and put a little butter over the top of it, and we'll just put it on a wire rack, let it cool down, and slice it up. Alrighty, we're gonna cut into this bad boy. Oh,
look at that.
My goodness.
Look at that steamy.
That looks amazing.
Got a hole. That's all.
Oh, just on the end there, I think. Oh, we're going to taste test this. I need to get another stick of butter out, but okay. Oh man, that looks so good.
Man.
Okay.
Feel that.
What do you think? Good?
So good.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
It's like light, but it's chewy.
Right. And as it cools down, it'll get a different texture probably. Okay.
Usually unsalted butter, but
let me see. Oh man.
Perfect. That is a perfect slice of bread.
Yum. Okay. It's a hit. Oh yeah.
Is that enough?
That's enough. All right, we just wanted to show you our peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Hope you're having a great day.
I use apple jelly.
Apple jelly for him. I got strawberry.
If you've ever had apple jelly, comment. Tell me what you think.
Okay.
Peanut butter and apple. It's the bomb.
It's thebomb.com. So do my intro or do my outro.
What?
Do my outro.
What's that?
Saying goodbye and whatnot.
Oh. See you later. I don't know what to say.
Okay, bye guys. Mm.